Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve iPhone 15 overheating issues. So for that what you need to do is you need to go to the settings. So iPhone has just released a software update in order to solve the overheating problem. So now once you go to the settings, go to the general tab here. Now at the top you can see the second option, which is software update. So you need to click there. Now it will search for the updates here. Checking for updates. Now I can see there is an update available which is of 427.5 MB, iOS 17.0.3. Alright, so now you can click on update now option. So once you update it, then your overheating problem of the iPhone 15 will simply go away. So this is the only way in order to solve it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.